Hi, are you a clinical super specialist? And are you also making the mistakes what other clinical super specialists are making? Hi, this is Dr. Nitin and welcome to another episode of Healthcare Holistic Marketing, the channel where I provide marketing and strategies and tips related to your hospital and healthcare practice and how you can improve your healthcare business and how you can get a brand, build a brand and get more patients into your clinical practice. So let's get started with today's case study. So it happened sometime back where I happened to visit a uh, spine surgeon for some pain in my neck. I was having some neck pain and I happened to visit for some consultation. Again, I searched for the doctor for online, and he had a good online presence. He had a good website, appointment system, and he had some Google reviews. Everything was there. I visited that doctor, and when I visited the clinic, and when my turn came in, for the consultation, I was carrying my X-ray film and I wanted to show that X-ray film to the consultant. So that consultant didn't even bother to look at those X-ray films. And that consultation hardly lasted for 15 seconds. Yes, a consultation with a super specialist lasted for 15 seconds only. I know super specialists are super busy. That's fine, but that doesn't give you opportunity to not to clinically examine your patient. So see, you might be expert and you might be having those kind of high level of knowledge about the clinical condition, but the topic that today I'm discussing is not about your clinical or medical expertise. What the point I'm trying to emphasize is on the kind of experience the patient have in your clinic or your hospital setup. So if somebody is like having similar experience like me, he might not try to visit you again because there is no that bonding with the doctor. You might be having a great hospital facility, you might be having a great clinical expertise also, but that doesn't replace the kind of experience that patient will get in your hospital setup, because that experience creates a brand value. The bigger hospital, the flashy branding, the good looking logo, and those neon signs, those are not the brands. Those are one of the identities of the your logos, but that doesn't create brand. Brand is created from your practice and the kind of experience that the patient have when they visit you. So the my point here is to you, if you are a super specialist and even if you are still super busy, you need to find and create alternate ways to manage the clinical burden. When you are a super specialist, I'm sure there is no limitation to have a assisting team to to support you in clinically. That in the scenario that I'm discussing now, that in that clinic, even if that surgeon is super busy, he might simply could have put a medical on duty doctor who could have just done the initial checkup and initial things, and he could have made the initial clinical recordings of those findings. That could save the clinician's time, and that will also create a boost in patient's mind that okay, that doctor is not just doing the superficial clinical practice. In that 15 seconds appointment, I was very shocked when when it lasted and ended in within 15 seconds. So that doctor didn't care to examine me, and straight away he just prescribed some MRI, and that is how that clinician is practicing. So that's I don't have any objection in that. Those are required, those are part of the clinical practice, but you are missing a very significant component about the patient experience. If you are missing that, you are losing your brand value. And if you think you are also one of them, I want you to have some kind of practices which can improve the patient experience within your clinic or your hospital setup. I have also given a case study where the hospital didn't had a good the hospital had a good online presence, but along with that, that hospital had a very good customer experience setting, and you can look that into this eye symbol. And if you also have similar experiences, and if you feel that you want to improve your marketing strategies for your hospital, you can get in touch with me and I will give you a customized solution for your hospital practice.